the 6-day FDP program sponsored by AICTE and organized by SEMS Cochin School of Business on building predictive AI models for route optimization and emerging technology practices on smart manufacturing was highly informative, well structured, and well organized FDP program. And the program is provided a strong balance between the conceptual foundations and practical applications of the AI model. And many of the resource persons, a few of them were academicians and few of them were from industry. And that helped the participants to gain the knowledge about how the AI models were utilized in today's workplaces. Especially few sessions about the predictive analytics, smart manufacturing, and also about the AI models, how we can use in supply chain management. These all are highly informative sessions. And few of the industry personals shared their more than 2 decades of experience. And especially about the smart manufacturing in the automotive industry, the resource persons extensive experience in the automotive sector, that too with the giants of the automotive industry in India, that is Maruti and Tata Motors. He shared that what is actually happening in the shop floor, about which almost all the participants have like little information about the same. So these sessions has enhanced our knowledge about smart manufacturing and how those concepts we can render to our students. So this particular FDP, in my opinion, is the requirement of present day to bridge that gap between the industry and academia, and to give enough knowledge about how we can utilize different AI models in our academic curriculum development. So I definitely would like to thank the organizers for selecting such an innovative topic and also coordinating it in a very well structured manner, and also selecting and identifying right resource persons who's having a thorough and deep knowledge about these aspects. So, as a participant, I'm really enriched by attending this particular FTP. Thank you, coordinators, and thank you, SEMS.